In this day and age, it's so difficult knowing where to start with affiliate marketing as there are so many misleading videos out there, which in turn leaves you confused and not knowing what to do. I have once been in your shoes and I know exactly how it feels when you're starting out, as I started my affiliate marketing journey way back in 2017, and it was a complete bumpy road to say the least. So in this video, I'll be taking you by the hand and walk you through exactly what you need to do step by step to succeed with affiliate marketing and start making some serious money online. The first step is mindset, and this is what separates the top 1% affiliates from the rest. Most people are straight up lazy and lacks what it takes to join the 1% affiliate marketers. I know this is a hard pill to swallow, I get it. I used to be like that too, but sadly, only those who have strong will to take action and stay consistent even when things get difficult and don't go the way they want it or plan it. So believe me, it's going to get frustrating in the beginning, and I'll take myself as an example. It took me over 9 months of testing different methods and niches before I got my first affiliate commission. So yeah, I know how much it sucks. So I'm not going to stay here and sugarcoat anything in this video. You have to fail a few times before you get better, just like any other aspect of life. So you see, if you don't give up, you will eventually succeed. I kept pushing on, even though the thought of quitting crossed my mind several times. Basically, my point here is you need to be resilient and stay focused through those tough times and slow days, as it's only temporary and a huge reward awaits you. So adopting the right mindset alone sets you apart from most people out there. And in a nutshell, to become that 1% affiliate marketer, you have to do what the top affiliates do as well. And that is by taking things seriously. And I mean by implementing what you've learned from watching videos. And I don't mean taking action for just 1 or 2 days, as great things takes time. So you have to give a reasonable amount of time when implementing the strategies you learned, so as to give it a real shot at working out for you. So now that you have the right mindset in place, the next step is picking the right niche. For those who don't know what this term means, in the affiliate marketing space, a niche is an area or market you wish to focus on. So here are some examples of niches: health and fitness, relationship, spirituality, finance, and so on. This is where I see most new affiliates make their biggest mistakes by going for niches they are passionate about or niches that aligns with their interest. While I see the reason for that, because when you are passionate about something, you tend to stick with it and it's relatively easier to stay motivated until it works. But in reality, all niches are in fact not the same. Some are more profitable and easier to scale than others. I used to make these mistakes in the past as well. Before I got into the finance niche, I used to promote knitting products. This was the first niche that kickstarted my affiliate marketing journey. I actually made sales here and there promoting products in this niche, but the commissions were just too low as the products were cheap, low ticket products, which means I have to sell hundreds and thousands of units before I can sustain promoting products in this niche. I do love the niche, but sadly, it wasn't sustainable in the long run, as there is very low demand for these products as opposed to other evergreen niches. Again, picking the right niche separates top affiliates from beginners, because you need to understand your passion will not pay the bills. So you have to pick the right niche, and that is niches that are in high demand and also niches that will enable you scale easily. And finally, the niche must offer high commissions or recurring monthly commission. The third step is picking a product to promote in your chosen niche, and there are 2 main categories of products to promote. The one you choose will greatly determine how much you'll be making with affiliate marketing. The 2 categories are physical and digital products. Physical products apply to most niches. So for instance, if you are into the weight loss niche, you can promote physical products like supplements, like water bottles, protein shakes, and all that. Okay, yes, you can make decent amount of money with that, but I don't recommend physical products because they tend to have lower profit margins and you won't be able to get reasonable commission as an affiliate. And this is because manufacturers have to deal with a lot of overhead costs like production, storage, handling, and shipping of the product to customers. So this is why in most cases, this type of products are not favorable for affiliates. And that brings us to the next category of product I highly recommend to promote, which is digital products. And this includes softwares, apps, courses, and digital templates. If you want to make serious money with affiliate marketing, then this is hands down the best type of product to promote as an affiliate, because they have little to no overhead cost and the fulfillment is instant, because customers can simply go over to a website to purchase a software or a course and they get instant access to using the course right away. And you also get your commission instantly as an affiliate, and the commission can vary anywhere from 30% to 100%. So now you can see why it's easier to rack up thousands of dollars with digital products, especially if the product is a high ticket product. And keep in mind, some digital products also have recurring commission, which means as long as the customer you refer keep using that product, you will continue to get your commission every single month. Some of the best platforms to find physical products is by coming over to Amazon.com, or you can simply come over to AliExpress.com. You can find so many physical products on these platforms to promote in your niche, or you can simply come over to Google and type in your niche and then type in affiliate program. So if you do this, this is going to show you a list of affiliate programs you can join in your chosen niche. And for digital products, you can simply go over to Google to find many of them as well. But some of the favorite ones I use and I recommend is clickbank.com. You can also use warriorplus.com. You can use impact.com as well. And finally, you can use digistore24.com. And if you're an OG of this channel, you already know I make money with a lot of these affiliate networks. So trust me, digital products is the way to go if you want to make a lot of money with affiliate marketing. Once you've chosen a niche and a product to promote, you need a website to send your visitors to, so they can connect with you and find your affiliate products. Don't get discouraged at this point. Long are those days where you have to spend hours building websites or paying thousands of dollars to web developers on Fiverr and Upwork. You can now build websites from scratch using AI, which is perfect for beginners. You can do this on your own by going over to 10web platform. It's user-friendly, and I've already made a dedicated video on how to build an affiliate website using 10web AI Builder, so that you can set up your affiliate website today. Once your website is up and running, you need to start promoting it through great content. And here I must say, content is king. You must ensure the content brings value to your target audience. And this content can be in form of blog posts, product reviews, tutorials, and auto guide in general, which should be posted to your website. And the good thing is, in this modern day and age, we now have access to AI tools like Writer.me to create original and human-like content for you, which literally takes away all the hard work and thought process that goes into content creation. And it has a plagiarism checker to make sure your content is unique, and also it has advanced SEO tools to help you rank on Google easily in your niche. So I highly recommend using Writer.me to create content for your website, and all you simply need to do is to add in your affiliate links, and you will be getting free organic traffic from Google and making thousands of dollars in affiliate commission. So I highly recommend to check out this video. I went through step-by-step tutorial on how to use Writer.me to rank your content on Google. And finally, here is a bonus trick. Take advantage of social media platforms, especially Pinterest, Instagram, and YouTube. If you can build a following on any of these platforms, that is a huge advantage because their audience are mainly older people, which means they have more disposable income and can easily afford to purchase your affiliate product. And no, you don't need to show your face on any of the videos or record your voice. I highly recommend to check out the two videos on your screen right now. as they are going to show you how to promote affiliate products on Instagram and on Pinterest. And remember, the key to the game is staying consistent, track your progress as you go, optimize your results based on what is working for you, and you are much more closer to making six figures with affiliate marketing than you think.